Today, I'm really excited to show you integration with Apple Shortcuts and how I use it to interact with my WhatsApp. Let me show you an example. Write a Mother's Day poem and send it on WhatsApp to myself. And when you're done, send me a notification. So here you can see I can just hide the alter discussion and I will get a notification when it's done. Send Mother's Day poem on WhatsApp. And if I look at my WhatsApp, I can see the poem and I can see the different action here. And the great thing is that I can trigger it by voice, but I can also see it in my quick action here. Send it to myself. Again, it's sending me the last discussion with Alter directly to my WhatsApp. So how does it work? It's very easy. So the way it works is that now in Alter, when you go to your local tools here, in your tool manager, you can now see that in local, we have shortcuts. And the way to add a shortcut to Alter is you can go into quick action and click here and add a shortcut. So for example, here, I've created a shortcut called WhatsApp to myself. And I give a title and I declare it, what it does, so that the AI can understand when to use the tool. So by doing this, now I can have this in my quick action, but I can also go in my local tools. And if I click in shortcut here, I can declare it so that AI can use it as any tools, like any other tools, like my calendar or my Discord that I've connected here. And what's great is that by doing this, you can also link it with some keyboard shortcuts. For example, here, if I go in my action editor, you can see here that I've created a daily joke on WhatsApp, which with a global shortcut, what it does, it's send me a joke, tell me a joke original. And here I did configure it to always have the quick action WhatsApp to myself. So anytime it will trigger this alter action, it will always end by sending a WhatsApp to myself. And now I'm going to show you. I'm here and I'm going to trigger the global shortcut. It open alter directly the discussion, create the joke, send it to WhatsApp. And again, if we want, we can see that it has sent the joke to my WhatsApp. And the way it works is very easy. You can create any kind of shortcut. So let me show you the shortcut here, the WhatsApp to myself. And it's configured this way. We configure it to receive text from anywhere and get text from this shortcut input. And by doing this initial step, then after you can add any action and do any triggers based on the text generated by Alter. So this is it. This is integration with Apple Shortcuts, and it really empowers Alter to do some great things. Thank you. See you next week.